We bought a bent transporter off Caleb.
Right everyone, in tonight's video we are working on transporter again. So we're going to be getting windows in and floor all cleaned up, ready for Ply.
Yeah, so I've never fitted windows in a van before, so it's going to be interesting. I think you'll have to take reins with it and I'll concentrate on floor. But yeah, get the windows in and get it all prepped, ready to start building back up now. It's getting to the exciting part really, isn't it?
Yeah, is it?
So Andy's just taking out the tie down hooks. How are they coming out so far, Andy?
Hard work, but they are coming out. That one we're going to have to just grind up, I think.
That one there?
Yeah.
I'll do that one. Safety first. There's an hole in this one.
This here is a bit. So I'm just going to finish the job that Josh did and take the wood off the door.
If it had turned up, you could have done it then.
And then we're going to cut it out to get this window in this side. Potentially get that one done, but obviously this sits outside during the day. So once we've cut an hole, it's got to have a window in it.
Hopefully they're in just one piece, so they're not broken. I hate ordering glass and stuff. Especially when next day delivery, how fast it got here. It's very concerning. You got 2 boxes?
Yeah,
The glass. 1, 3, yeah. 1, 2. Yeah.
We got them?
Yeah.
Going on to that.
Oh, don't need to. It's got to be a seal, hasn't it? But it should have a full kit, so it should have a seal and that primer and glue. Oh.
It comes with 2 windows, 2 sealers, primer, covers, some wipes. No black seals.
Might be in there, maybe.
Lay it down. Well, first job, we're just going to off it up. Make sure it does actually fit out of that. Hopefully we'll have it off in it.
Ah, perfect. Oh. Oh, I thought we were dropping that there.
Yeah, Sam.
Yeah, perfect. Do we get to do some chopping now?
Yeah.
Are you doing it or do I get to? Woo. Right, so what we've done, we've just realised that to stick window in you need the rubber seals. They didn't come in kit, so I've ordered some. They're not here. So we're going to do floor, get all that done, because we were going to carpet, but we really don't want to put clean carpet onto dirty floor. So we're cleaning up the floor, get it all painted.
Basically all we're going to get done is the floor, because once we've done it and painted it.
Yeah, get floor done and then we can start getting carpet in and that anyway, so yeah. Right, so we're just sweeping it all out. We've grinded all the floor down. We're just sweeping it out. We're going to get it white with thinners and then get a layer of zinc primer on it.
That's most of the floor done now. We've ground it all back, all the flaky stuff, the rusty stuff. rust treated it. We're just finishing priming it up, and then we're going to paint it with stone chip to protect it. Obviously it's getting a wooden floor over it anyway, so it doesn't really matter how it looks. It is purely just to make it good going forward.
Right, so that's floor all done.
Oh, we just need to seal the holes, don't we?
Yeah, and seal holes, but it's all painted, it's all dry now. But yeah,
stone chip as well, so it'll get a bit of protection. But all the rust's all been ground back, that's all off in it.
And the van's in its new home now, so we've put it into a different building so we can get it all done.